Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today I'm going to talk about the Alpha Outlaw safety razors. They are flat bar safety razors or closed comb, and here's a look. Let's get right into it. This is the head itself. And you can see that it has an M inscribed right here on the head, right there. That means it's the mild version. And the mild version has a blade gap of 0.56 millimeters. So this would be the milder shaving version. And then there is a more aggressive shaving version right here. You can see the Alpha logo with no M. So this is the standard blade gap. This is 0.72 millimeters. And this is the more aggressive shaving razor. So if you have sensitive skin, you shave every day, that sort of thing, you'd want to go with the mild, the one with the M on the underside. And if you want something more aggressive, heavy beard growth, not so sensitive skin, then you want to go with the standard version right here. Beautiful machining, highly polished, really nice looking stuff. Very quality material, 3/16L stainless steel throughout, so it's hefty. You never have to worry about it rusting. And the greatest thing about these, in my opinion, 3 different handles that you can choose from when you get this razor at shavenation.com. One is the Braveheart right here. It's got the Alpha logo on the bottom. That's a look at it. Very hefty, very precise knurling, very easy to grip this handle. And then there's the Bravo right here. This is the Bravo. Same thing, Alpha logo on the bottom. Super precise knurling on this one. Of the 3, this is very checkered, very grippy, very easy to hold on to, even with soapy or shaving cream laden fingers. No problem whatsoever. Last but not least, the Viper. This one, also very easy to grip. It's got a strategic band placed right here, which you can put your finger on. Makes it very easy to hold on to. This one's a little bit longer than the others. You can see that it's just a little bit taller. And if you prefer something very hefty, this will be the one for you. This is the Viper. Here's a look at the razor with the Braveheart handle installed. By the way, Braveheart, one of the best movies ever made. Mel Gibson, if you haven't seen that movie, you got to check that movie out. Fantastic movie. One of the best lines ever. Every man dies. Not every man really lives. Excellent movie. Check it out. So that's Braveheart. Here's a look at the Bravo. And these screw in very easily. The best part, you can put this on just about any other 3-piece razor. Dreadnought, Edwin Jagger, Muhle, Merkur 23C, any 3-piece razor you can unscrew. If you can unscrew the handle on it, more than likely you'll be able to screw this one on. And this will greatly improve your grip on the razor. As I said, even with shaving cream laden fingers, no problem holding on to this thing. And it beefs up your razor quite a bit. I'll show you the last one, the largest one. And I'm not even going to show it to you on this. I'm going to show it to you on my Muhle R41, which is a very aggressive shaving razor right here, which is already a beast in itself. But if you remove this handle and you install the Viper handle on this razor, check this. Look how much longer it's going to take you. Let's remove this handle. Here's a look just so you can see. You can see the difference between the two right there. How much heftier it is, longer. Let's screw on the Viper onto the R41. As I said, just about any 3-piece razor, you can screw one of these handles onto it and greatly improve the grip and the overall shave. And if you have any problems gripping things, this will make it much easier to hold on to. Excellent feel in the hand. It beefs up the razor, makes it heavier. The longer handle, you can drop it right in the base, spin, no problem whatsoever. So I'm going to perform a shave with this razor in my next video. It'll be the R41 with the Alpha Viper handle. So stay tuned, that one's coming up next. If you buy the Alpha razor from Shave Nation, it comes with this free pebble grain snap case, black leather pebble grain. Let's unsnap it and let's drop the razor right in there. It's a nice snug fit. Push it all the way down, all the way to the bottom like so. Snap it closed, just like that. No more cutting your fingers when you reach down into your dop case to grab your razor. Like I said, you buy your Alpha razor from ShaveNation.com, and this case will be complimentary, comes with it. Oh, one more thing, almost forgot. Let me show you this too. Here is a bullet stand, which matches everything else. Everything is 316L stainless steel. Look how nice that just drops right in there. All three handles, same way. They all fit the same. Drop it right in. It takes up very little space on your sink top, and it's made to match the razor itself. Highly polished. Let me unleash this, and I'm gonna pop in a feather blade, and I'm going to get my shave on with this razor and this blade in my next video. So check that out. As I said, if you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below where it says show more, or go to ShaveNation.com, enter Alpha, A-L-P-H-A, in the search box and it'll pop right up. Please do me a favor before I head out, smash the subscribe button down there and then ring the bell up there so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.